Hello everyone. In this presentation, let's look into the concept of internet security. So internet security usually involves the protection of the user's data from the unauthorized access or damage when connected to the internet. Most of the times, implementing a proper browser configuration would help in protecting the personal information, preventing malware infection, and also prevent damage caused due to a cyber attack. So before we get to know more about the internet security, it's really necessary to know and understand what exactly are cookies. A cookie is basically the information which is provided by a web server to a web client and then sent back unchanged by the browser each time it accesses that server. When this website is revisited, the browser sends the information back so as to recognize the user. This is invisible to the user and also is intended for improving the internet browsing experience. So what are the security issues pertaining to the instant messaging? So the one would be the social engineering, which we would be discussing in a couple of other slides. Then the next would be spamming. Security measures that could be taken for instant messaging. So make sure you do not reveal personal information and do not accept links received from unknown sources. Make sure to block those users that send you unsolicited web links, and make sure you use strong and complex passwords. And also make sure that you sign out of your IMs after you are done using it. And always make sure to uncheck the remember password option. So what are the online risks that the children are susceptible to? So the one would be misleading URLs, and next is the sexual harassment online, that would include cyberbullying or any sort of child pornography. So what are the risks that are involved with social networking sites? So attacker might use the information available about the victim online for cyberbullying or any sort of identity theft. The attackers might easily get information such as email IDs, contact numbers, or any other sort of information pertaining to the victim. So spams. The attackers might use the email-based attacks to steal the information. The email-based attacks would include spamming or phishing or any such attacks. They would lure the victims in with the spam mails. The phishing mails are a trap and most get victimized to it. So these are a couple of checklists that are really necessary for the internet security. Make sure to set up firewalls in order to monitor and control the information, and update your web browsers, operating systems, and applications. Do not connect to public Wi-Fi to browse any important website such as banking website. Never respond to the spam mails, which is really important, and never download from untrusted sources. And make sure that you never click on any of the pop-ups that come up on any sort of a website. Then make sure to update the antivirus regularly and have a regular scan done onto your system. And never reveal too much of information about yourself or your loved ones on the social networking sites.